What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steve Holbrook, and you guys are in for a treat today. Today's episode, I will be revealing the difference between a six-figure mindset and a seven-figure mindset. Having been in business for nearly 20 years, I have surrounded myself with thousands of entrepreneurs from all walks of life. And as a result, I have put myself in a position to study the greats in business. Through all my experience and observations and relationships, I have discovered that there is a significant gap in the mindsets of somebody making six figures a year versus seven figures a year. Most people think that in order to make seven figures a year, you need to get lucky, or you need to be connected or join an industry at the exact right time. And although these things might factor into it, about 5%, 95% of what it takes to make seven figures is the way you think. Today, I'm gonna be breaking down and sharing with you guys what I have learned. So make sure you pull out a pen. But before I do, as usual, if you enjoy this video, please give it some love, share it with your teams. And if you're open to opportunity and looking for change and would like to have a millionaire mentor, click the link below and book a meeting with me to see if you'd be a fit for my team. All right, let's get started. A six-figure mindset and a seven-figure mindset refer to two different ways of thinking about money and success. Both mindsets are focused on achieving financial stability and success, but there are two key differences between the two. A six-figure mindset is characterized by a focus on financial security and stability. See, individuals with this mindset are typically focused on earning enough money to pay their bills, save for the future, and have a comfortable life. They may be content with their current job or career path, or they may not be particularly interested in taking on additional risks or pursuing new opportunities. In contrast, a seven-figure mindset is characterized by a focus on growth and expansion. Individuals with this mindset are focused on building wealth and creating financial freedom. They are most likely willing to take on risks and pursue new opportunities, even if it involves some level of uncertainty and discomfort. So here are some of the key differences between a six-figure mindset and a seven-figure mindset. Firstly, their mindset around risk-taking. Individuals with a six-figure mindset may be more risk-adverse and hesitant to take on additional risk in pursuit of financial gain. They are mostly content with the stability of their current job or their business or their career path and may not want to take on additional responsibilities or challenges. On the other hand, individuals with a seven-figure mindset are typically more comfortable with taking risks in pursuit of financial gain. They may be willing to invest in new ventures or invest in new systems to expand their business or anything that may have the potential to generate significant financial rewards. The second point is their mindset around money. What I've noticed over the years is that individuals with a six-figure mindset typically view money as a means to an end. They're mostly focused on earning enough money to pay their bills, save for the future, and have a comfortable life. They see money as a necessity to create some financial stability and some financial security. In our industry, most of the agents that are in the six figures, like 150 to 200,000 a year, and they're stuck there because they're comfortable with their life. In contrast, individuals with a seven-figure mindset they view money as a tool for creating freedom and opportunity. They see money as a means to pursue their passions within their business model. And they invest more money in their business so that they can create a life of abundance and a life that seems impossible to most. My third point is their mindset around work. One of the things that I can say about individuals with a six-figure mindset is they mostly do the work as a necessity and necessary part of their life. They work hard to earn a living, but they aren't particularly passionate about their work or motivated by the potential for financial gain. In contrast, individuals with a seven-figure mindset, they view work as a vehicle for personal and professional growth. Think about that. That's a different mindset. They're motivated by the potential to create significant financial reward through their work, and they're willing to take on projects to pursue opportunities to achieve their goals. Don't get me wrong, seven-figure earners are not passionate about their business 24/7, 365. However, they find the passion within the goal. They find the passion within the vision. It's all about what kind of life they're trying to create. Running a business can be hard, and there's a dark side to every business, so don't expect it to be rah the entire time. The fourth differentiator, their mindset around personal growth. Individuals with a six-figure mindset are content with their current level of personal growth and professional development. They focus on maintaining the status quo and aren't particularly interested in pursuing new challenges or opportunities or for growth. These are the individuals that are always asking around about what everybody else is doing. They're always trying to find the next secret. They're always trying to find the next shortcut. They think that they aren't winning enough because they don't have the one ingredient that's going to take them over the top. Meanwhile, the answer that they're looking for is in the mirror. It's them. They're the problem, but they're the solution. But on the other hand, the seven-figure mindset, these people are typically focused on personal growth and development. They're obsessed with it. They're seeking out new challenges to take on new responsibility and pursue anything that's going to help them learn and grow as a person. They prioritize their own growth within their goals. The fifth differentiator is this: mindset around abundance. Individuals with a six-figure mindset view the world through a lens of scarcity. They believe there's a limited amount of wealth and resources available, and they're focused on securing their share of the pie. These people are typically more selfish, and they're less likely to share what's working for them, yet they expect everybody else to tell them their secrets. Now, on the flip side, people with a seven-figure mindset, they view the world through a lens of abundance. They believe that there's an unlimited wealth and resources available, and they're focused on creating new opportunities for people and generating wealth for themselves and others. So you're starting to pick up on the difference? My sixth point, their mindset around failure. This one is huge. I could write a whole book on this particular point. People with a six-figure mindset are mostly risk adverse and see failure as something to avoid at all costs. The fear of failure that most have cause them to not be willing to take any risks that could potentially result in something not working out. These people play it safe. They're afraid to get into the corners. They're afraid to get their hands dirty. They're typically mellow leaders. They don't build great relationships with their teams. They aren't great lead by example kind of people because that would mean putting themselves out there for more potential failure. On the flip side, people with a seven-figure mindset view see failure as an opportunity for growth and learning. They embrace failure as a natural part of the process of pursuing success, and they are willing to take risks that could potentially result in failure. These are the kinds of leaders that people love to be around because they play loose. They don't look scared when you look them in the eyes. They have confidence. They have a swagger about them. Them and their teams may not win every game, but you know that that team is being led by a warrior that is willing to die on the battlefield with their team. My seventh point, mindset around mentorship. Individuals with a six-figure mindset don't see a ton of value in seeking out mentorship and guidance from other people. They feel that they're capable of achieving financial success on their own, and they don't think that they need external support. They say things to their mentor like, "Oh, I don't want to waste your time. When I have more things going on, I'll reach out," or "I'm not worthy of your mentorship yet." And they say those things as an excuse because they have a weak mindset around mentorship. People with a seven-figure mindset understand the value of mentorship and guidance. They take advice that's given to them. They understand that mentorship is an essential part of growth. They actively seek mentors and advisors who can provide them with support, advice, and guidance in pursuit of their goals. And you know what? They actually take the advice and they actually do it. Crazy, right? My next point is the mindset around giving back. Lastly, somebody with a six-figure mindset is mostly focused on achieving financial success for themselves and their families. They don't see the value in giving back to the community or making a positive impact in the world. It's all about them. It's about their bank account, them winning. They wonder why their team doesn't really look up to them or doesn't really want to follow them. These types of people, again, are always looking for shortcuts, and they think the world owes them something. In contrast, people with a seven-figure mindset, they understand the importance of giving back and making a positive impact on the world. They prioritize things like philanthropy and actively seeking out opportunities to make a difference in their communities and beyond. They thrive on this kind of stuff. They're constantly making about other people. They're constantly making about contribution and about changing something in the world for the better. You could hear it in their language. You can see it in their actions. When you look in their eyes, they're wearing it. Those are the kinds of leaders that we need to become in order to have that seven-figure mindset. In closing, individuals with a seven-figure mindset view the world through a lens of abundance. They believe that there's an unlimited amount of wealth and resources available and are focused on creating new opportunities and generating wealth for everybody around them. Although sometimes the difference from the outside looking in is so slight, on the inside, the mindset of these two different types of people could not be further apart. But it doesn't happen overnight. It's a series of decisions. And over time, it's a series of growth moves that separates the six-figure mindset from the seven-figure mindset. So how was that, you guys? You guys get some value? I hope you found this episode as powerful as I did. I just laid out 8 differences in mindset that can help you better serve you and your business. Start to change your thinking around these 8 points and watch your mindset propel you beyond your wildest imagination. The one thing I didn't mention is this. If you want to make 7 figures, you need to make sure that you have a platform and a business vehicle that has the horsepower to get you there. I met a lot of people with a 7-figure mindset, but they're in a business that never has the potential to get them there. You have to put yourself in the right vehicle. If you're watching this right now, or you're hearing my voice on podcast, and you truly want an opportunity to make 7 figures, but aren't sure how, book a meeting with me, click the description box, let's have a call. I wanna see if you'd be a good fit for me. You can see if we'd be a good fit for you, because at the end of the day, if you really wanna make big moves in business, you need to be mentored by a giant. You need to be mentored by somebody that's already there. All right, you guys, don't forget to give this video some love and share it with your team, and I will see you on the next episode. Thanks, guys.